Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing barbecued shrimps. We'll begin with our olive oil. Yeah. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Then I'll put in our gochujang. Put in big spoonful of gochujang. Wow, yan, no? Sarap. Pag kumain ka nito, gochujang, nako, mapapa K-pop ka talaga eh. Pepper tayo. Damihan yung pepper. Kasi malaki yung bowl eh. Kasi malaki yung shrimps. Dami tayong shrimp. Yun. Good. Put all there. Then paprika. To give us an earthy flavor in the red color. So about a spoonful of that. Tapos the chili flakes. Yan. Sarap yun, medyo manghang. Very good. We have honey. Itong honey nito galing to sa bee farm namin. Yan. Ano, so dyan hina-harvest yan. Eh. So this one of our locations sa beehive namin, no, sa bahay. Pero sa shooting range meron all over the city. May pinaglalagyan kami kung saan kami naglalagyan ng ganitong beehive. So, makikita nyo dito, huwag nyo lang haharangan yung pinaka-runway niya. No, hindi naman sila aggressive eh. Andiyan lang yan. Tsaka sabi nila, pag takot ka, alam nila na natakot ka sa bees, no? So here, depende sa panahon, pag maganda yung flowering, madami tayong na-harvest. At least twice a year, nakaka-harvest tayo ng honey natin. So itong mga honey na to, galing yan dito sa beehives natin. No? If you take a close look, no? Dami lang, very active sila. Oh. And the bees, kailangan alagaan natin yan because they're the best pollinators in the world. No? Sila na, kaya lumalago yung mga flowers natin dito sa paligid natin. Dumadami yung mga fruits, dumadami yung mga bunga natin because of them. And they're not aggressive. No? In fact, may medicinal purpose nga yan eh. Yung may mga disease, may autoimmune, may mga Lyme disease, may mga arthritis. Yung kinukuha nila yan, tapos pinapaturok nila yan, no? Yung, what do you call that, yung sting nila dito. It helps. I did that before, I tried it, and nakatulong yun sa ano ko, sa, parang trigger something, dito sa arm ko. Because too much fencing and too much badminton. Okay. Good. So, we'll put our honey. Ito, unpasteurized, no? Only filtered siya para matanggalan yung mga konting mga dumi niya galing doon sa beehive. We'll put in about 2 tablespoons of honey. Yan, that's it. And then after that, we'll put in lots of garlic. Yan. 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Okay. And of course, our acid. Acid natin is lemon. Galing din sa mga tanim-tanim niyan sa paligid. Okay. Lagyan na siya ng salt. Okay. Tingnan mo na salt bago mabasa yung kamay ko. Now, put in salt. Yeah, good. Dabihan natin kasi dito natin dediretso yung manid. Dito na dediretso yung shrimp. Okay. Nice. Put in our lemon juice. Yan. Yun. It's a big lemon eh. Yan, lemon zest. It always it brightens your seafood dish. So may mga acid saka may mga lemon zest. Na-highlight yung freshness na ng seafood natin. Yung marinade natin. Good. We'll keep this. And then mix na natin. We'll mix it. Everything's in, double check. Tapos lagyan natin ng parsley para may spark of green color tayo. Ito may parsley dito sa basket ko. Okay. Although very faint ang flavor ng ano, very faint ang flavor ng parsley, but it adds to the development of taste. There. Nice. That's it. Continue to mix it. Yeah. Sweet and spicy. And then, lalagyan natin yung shrimp natin dito. Kasi to make the marinade, takes at least what? Less than 5 minutes. Before para kayo mag-start, simulan nyo na i-prepare yung ano nyo, yung mga shrimp kasi yun yung medyo matagal i-prepare, no? Okay? Shrimp, basak na din dito. Yan. Yun. And then, just let it marinate there. So, gaano katagal? As fast as 10 minutes, for as long as what? 8-10 hours, okay lang yan. It depends on how much time you have. So, marinade time niya is habang ginagawa ko yung uling natin. Yung uling natin. And we have this one. Ito yung maganda, no? Fire starter. Kasi malakas yung heat niya. Yan, tignan mo, mainit, oh. No, mainit yan. Tatapat mo lang doon. Parang naka-turbocharge yung yung heat niya. Yung heat niya, alam niya, namumula, oh. Bilis magpabaga, basta itong gamit mo, eh. And this one, you can buy this in Amazon.com. I don't know how much it costs. I think about $50. Yung kuryente siya, oh. 1 minute is all you need. Yan, oh. Yan nakalakas yan, oh. Yeah. Yan, pabayaan mo na siya dyan. Diyan lang, sige. Pinili ko yung ganito para paglagyan ng ng shrimp, hindi siya iikot, no? Because dalawa siya, steady yung niya. Steady yung shrimp natin, hindi iikot, hindi gagalaw. So per stick, I'll put in about 5. Paglagyan na dyan, bilis lang yan. So what I'll do, I'll make same dressing. Gochujang. Pepper. Okay. And a little paprika. Okay. Honey, salt. Okay. Konting lemon juice. Yeah, good. And that's it. We'll mix it. Then we'll put some parsley. While you're doing this, you can kunyari you're getting ready for this, you can prepare this ahead of time. Okay. Now there you go. That's it. I'll mix this. But I'll work on my charcoal now. Babagsak ko siya ng ganito. Yan. And then, dalay ko na yung grill. This is our grill, but what I'll do is put some olive oil para hindi dumikit yung shrimp natin. I'll dab lang with some olive oil. No? Yan. Yan lang. Yan. Hindi pa. Okay. So while we're heating our grill, lagyan natin sa skewer yung shrimp. Okay. So, now, skewer tayo na natin. Yun, Yun. Isa. Okay. Dalawa. Tatlo. Yun, nice. Yun, 1, 2, and 3. Yan, nice. Yan. Okay. Let's start to barbecue. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There. Nice color. Nice. Look at that. Oh, nice. Okay, another minute. And we're done. Yan na siya. Okay. Ganda. Goody. This one. Goody. Good. Good. Okay. We pull it out. That's it. And we are ready to serve. So just leave this here. You know. Yeah. Nice. Then yung ginawa natin ano, marinade natin. Just put it on top. And yun, no? Good. Okay, good. And here is our barbecued shrimp. Let's try it. You know. Nandahan na kasi mainit. Sarap nito. Sarap. Oh. Ito maganda to pag ano, pag may mga special occasions kayo, family outing, family gathering, kasi sa bahay lang nagmamadali ka. Man! Tsaka yun, no? Hindi nag-overpower yun, no? Yung lima ingredients sa marinade. You can feel the garlic, you can taste it. Andun yung acidity niya. Andun lang. Tapos yung heat niya, yung anghang. It's just right. And the sweetness of the honey. Yung naman nagkaramelize dun sa ano. Nagkaramelize dun sa shrimp natin. Oh. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Goma at Home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on notification bell para alam nyo kapag mayroon tayong bagong video na parating o palabas. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your whole family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you again next time right here in Goma at Home. Bye, guys.